Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, click on Apps at the top right corner and select Settings. Now scroll down, click on Security and tap on Screen Lock. Over here, pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN, password, or even face unlock. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it and enter my pattern. Then just continue and repeat it. Now you need to select Confirm and tap on OK. If you wish to, you can answer those security questions by tapping on the chosen one, like favorite film, choosing continue over here, answering it. I will go with some gibberish and choosing done on your keyboard. Now select confirm one more time. And as you can see, now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!